Imagine you're faced with a tricky problem that involves setting up a socket listener in one thread and ensuring another thread waits until the port is opened and the socket is actively listening. Well, that's the essence of our scenario here. We need a solution that synchronizes these actions seamlessly to avoid any hiccups in communication. Let's dive into the intricacies of this challenge. Now, focusing on the solution provided, we have a clever approach that hones in on the essence of synchronization. The code snippet presented orchestrates a delicate dance between setting up the socket listener, capturing the server details, and subsequently ensuring the promise is kept once the server is indeed listening. This meticulous choreography ensures that each step is executed at the right moment, preventing any missteps along the way. It's a harmonious blend of control and anticipation in the realm of concurrent programming. In essence, the key to mastering this challenge lies in orchestrating a symphony of events that culminate in the successful handling of the socket listener's setup and the subsequent verification of its active state. By following the prescribed steps with precision and understanding the underlying mechanisms at play, you can navigate the complexities of concurrent programming with finesse. And with that, we wrap up our journey through the intricacies of socket synchronization. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment with your thoughts on this engaging problem-solving journey. Until next time, happy coding